Good evening, everyone. My name is Aaron T. Alcarde, and I'll be the next reporter for the Group 2B. So, my topic is all about admixtures. So, what is an admixtures? These admixtures is a natural or manufactured chemicals which are added to the concrete before or during the mixing process. The most often used admixtures are in training admixtures, agents, water reducers, water reducing retarders, and also the accelerators. So these admixtures are natural or manufactured chemicals that are added before or during a mixing process. These admixtures are used to improve the workability, the strength, the durability, and the setting time, and also the resistance of a concrete. So there are multiple types of admixtures. It has 15 types. But first, we will tackle the first seven. So first, we have the water reducing admixtures. So these water reducing admixtures, from the name itself, it is defined as that they are used to minimize the water demand in a concrete mix. So this water reducing admixtures demands at least 10 to 30%, and it is also called as a plasticizers. It also improves the workability, the strength, and the bonding to prevent the cracking and also the bleeding in a concrete. So there are types of these um, examples of these water reducing admixtures are the lignosulfonates, acrylic polymers, and the polycarboxylates. Next, number two, we have the retarding admixtures. So these retarding admixtures are helping to slow down the rate of a hydration of a cement in its initial stage and increase the initial setting time of concrete. So these are also called as retarders and used specifically in a high temperature zone where concrete is well set quickly. So these retarding admixtures slow down the cement hydration demand, and also it increase the setting time of the concrete. This is very useful in hot weather for to avoid quick setting and also poor bonding. Some example of these retarding admixtures are the gypsum, starch, cellulose products, and also the sugars. So next we have the accelerating admixtures. These are used to reduce the initial setting time of a concrete. They speed up the process of initial stage of hardening of concrete, hence they are also called as accelerators. So these accelerating admixtures helps to speed up an early concrete hardening and also its strength gain the concrete. So kung sa retarding admixtures is iyang gina-slow down ang process, si accelerating admixtures naman iyang target is to speed up early the concrete hardening and strength gain. So these accelerating admixtures is very useful in an early formwork removal and also in cold weather concreting. So some examples of these accelerating admixtures are the calcium chloride, calcium formate, and the silica fume. Next, we have the air entraining admixtures. These um these air entraining admixtures or concrete admixtures are one of the most important inventions in a concrete technologies. Their primary function is to increase the durability of a concrete under freezing and thawing condition. So these air entraining admixtures introduce the tiny air bubbles wherein it helps to improve the durability against freezing and thawing conditions. It also improves the workability and reduces the bleeding and segregation. Some examples of these air entraining admixtures are the vinyl resin, Darex, and Tipo. Next, number 5, we have the pozzolanic admixtures. These pozzolanic admixtures are used to produce or prepare a dense concrete mix which is best suitable for water retaining structures like dams and reservoirs. They also reduce the heat hydration and thermal shrinkage. These materials are used as a admixtures that are either natural or artificial. So these pozzolanic admixtures makes naman the concrete more dense, and it also reduces the heat of hydration. It also improves the durability and resists sulfate attack and leaching. Some examples of these pozzolanic admixtures are fly ash, silica fume, slag, rice husk ash. Next, number 6, we have the dumping proofing admixtures. These is also called as a waterproofing admixtures, wherein it is used to make a concrete structures impermeable against water and to prevent dampness on concrete surface. In addition to waterproof property, they also acts as this also acts as an accelerators in an early stage of concrete hardening. These damp proofing admixtures are mainly making the concrete impermeable, and also it also prevents the surface dampness. It also acts as an early our early age accelerators. Some examples of these damp proofing admixtures are aluminum sulfate, zinc sulfate, silica of soda, silicate of soda. Next, number last we have number 7, the gas forming admixtures. These are also used to prepare lightweight concrete for settlement and bleeding resistance purposes. Small quantity of gas forming admixtures, which is generally about 0.5 to 2% by weight cement, is used. So these gas forming admixtures is mainly creating a gas bubbles to counteract the settlement and also the bleeding. It also used no for lightweight materials or lightweight concretes. Some examples of these gas forming admixtures are aluminum powder, activated carbon, and hydrogen peroxide. That's all for my report about the first set of the different types of admixtures.